Hi ladies, I thought I'd come on and just do a quick video of what I went by an acrylic wash. So you just pick your paint colour that you want, put a little bit on whatever you're mixing it. I've got paint on me already. And then just add your water. Add a little bit at a time. Mix it up, because how much water you add depends on how deep the colour's going to be. So in other words, if you want a darker colour, add less water. If you want a lighter colour, add more water. And that's it. That's the acrylic wash. Make sure it's all mixed so you haven't got clumps there. That's the only thing with acrylics. It does need a good mix. Right, so let's see what this looks like. Yeah, that's fine. There. That's the flower, that's the acrylic wash. And that is how I did my flowers that I showed you yesterday. That's how these are all done. Just using that, sorry, that's the back that's showing there. It is all covered. That's how all these were done. Yesterday is by mixing a little bit, and you saw it was just a little bit, of acrylic paint with water. And then just colouring in your project. Also, another thing to bear in mind is when it dries, it will dry lighter than the colour that it's showing now. So this will dry lighter. There we go. That's how easy it is. And what these flowers are made out of are... Oh, missed that bit. Oh. Now I'm knocking the camera over. These are just made out of normal copy paper die cut. The normal, I think this is from Morrison's, just the everyday copy paper. It's nothing fancy, because when you put an acrylic wash on, it actually makes the paper quite durable. So it can withstand the embossing that I showed you yesterday. Sorry. Right, thanks for watching ladies. I really do hope that's helped. And goodbye.